Hey guys, are you want to buy best PC cases? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best PC cases that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at NZXT PC cases, the Asgard dual chamber RGB PC case combines style, functionality, and efficient cooling in a compact design. Its wraparound glass panels with seamless edges provide an unobstructed view of internal components, showcasing your build with elegance. The dual-chamber layout enhances thermal performance while maintaining a clean, organized interior, giving your setup a modern, uncluttered aesthetic. Out of the box, it includes 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans strategically angled for optimal airflow and vibrant lighting effects. The top and side panels feature an airflow-optimized perforation pattern that improves cooling while helping to filter dust, keeping components running efficiently. Building inside the case is made easy with an intuitive cable management system, featuring wide channels and straps that simplify routing and reduce clutter. Overall, this PC case is perfect for enthusiasts who value efficient cooling, clean design, and striking RGB presentation, making it an excellent choice for gaming or high-performance builds. Now our second product is Corsair PC cases. The Corsair frame modular case system redefines PC customization and flexibility. Its modular design allows users to upgrade or swap components like the motherboard tray or front I/O panel, so the case can evolve with your needs or style. Out of the box, it includes 3 high-performance Corsair RSA RGB PWM fans with 8 LEDs each, supporting daisy-chainable 4-pin PWM connections and 0 RPM mode for near-silent operation at low loads. The innovative InfiniRail fan mounting system offers unmatched flexibility, allowing front and roof fans up to 200mm, 140mm in the roof, to be positioned wherever needed for precise airflow. Users can choose between clean cable management using the internal side panel or remove it to mount additional fans for maximum cooling. The 3D Y pattern perforated front panel ensures optimized airflow with minimal obstruction, keeping components cool under load. Perfect for enthusiasts, this case combines modular versatility, high airflow, and striking ARGB aesthetics. Our third product is Corsair PC cases. The Corsair 3500X PC case combines sleek aesthetics with high-performance functionality, making it ideal for any PC build. Its wraparound tempered glass panels provide a stunning view of internal components while supporting motherboard form factors from Mini IDX to EATX. With multiple fan mounting points on the side, roof, and PSU areas, it accommodates up to 10x 120mm fans, ensuring excellent cooling without compromising on style. The removable front and side glass panels simplify installation and system access, making maintenance or upgrades hassle-free. Out of the box, it comes with 3 RS120 ARGB fans, delivering strong cooling performance and vibrant, easily controllable lighting via a +5 VA RGB motherboard header. The case also supports reverse connection motherboards, including Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero, keeping cables neatly tucked away for an unobstructed view of your build. With its combination of cooling capacity, flexible compatibility, and elegant glass design, the 3500X is perfect for both enthusiasts and gamers seeking performance and style. Now number 4, MUSETEX PC cases. The MUSETEX K2 gaming PC case delivers an exceptional blend of aesthetics, performance, and versatility, making it ideal for gamers and DIY enthusiasts. Its 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels provide a wide, clear view of internal components, letting users showcase high-end hardware and even collectibles. Pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, it offers vibrant lighting effects and strong cooling, with anti-vortex blades and software-controlled fan speeds for optimal airflow. The tower case layout supports GPUs up to 420mm, CPU coolers up to 178mm, top-mounted radiators up to 360mm, and PSUs up to 238mm, ensuring compatibility with most mainstream hardware. The upgraded I/O panel includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C port, audio, and reset buttons for convenience and high-speed connectivity. Thoughtful details, such as magnetic dust filters, side air ducts, and sound-insulating tempered glass, enhance practicality and performance. Compact yet spacious, the MUSETEX K2 combines striking visuals, efficient cooling, and user-friendly design for a top-tier gaming build. And our last choice is MUSETEX PC cases. The MUSETEX Y6 gaming PC case combines elegance, functionality, and user-friendly design, making it ideal for gamers and DIY enthusiasts. Its 270 degrees fully transparent dual-tempered glass panels provide a wide, unobstructed view of your high-end hardware and even collectibles, offering a sleek, high-end aesthetic. The dual-chamber tower layout is efficiently organized, supporting GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm, top-mounted radiators up to 360mm, and PSUs up to 200mm, ensuring compatibility with most mainstream components. Installation is easy with snap-on panels that remove without tools. Pre-installed 3 120mm fans enhance cooling, while independent power supply ventilation and magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom improve airflow and reduce dust. The upgradable I/O panel includes USB 3.2, USB-C, and USB 3.0 ports for fast connectivity. Compact yet practical, the Y6 delivers excellent cooling, elegant design, and convenience, making it perfect for office or gaming setups, with MUSETEX providing reliable customer support for peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.